Alright everyone, I'd like to update you on the backup camera software. Finally got it figured out and it's working very well. This is a dual screen setup, so I'm going to show you the possibilities here of having the backup camera show on the remote console screen or on the main display for those that have a single screen setup. So when the module senses the backup voltage, you get a window that pops up, of course. Processor's pretty fast. It can handle on both windows, both screens pretty quickly. You can see those numbers changing at that rate, so it's updating very fast. But I'd recommend having it on one screen or the other. This opens up a lot of possibilities now for track software, recording, track timing, that sort of thing, and video, audio. Someone has already inquired about that, so I'll be working on video recording with playback and I guess telemetry and that sort of thing. Should be a fairly interesting project. Not highly sought after at this moment, but something that I'll be working on. So backup software, camera software is ready to go. I can even add in the guide bars once I get this in my car. I can do some calibrations and put in the green, yellow, red backup markers, and it's good to go. So thanks to everyone who's interested in inquiring about this. I'll get all the updates on the website as soon as I can get that redone, and we'll go from there.